how to fix hidden option missing on Photos app on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to restore the missing hidden album option in the Photos app on your iPhone. Many users have encountered this issue where the hidden album is not visible, which can be frustrating if you want to keep certain photos private. I will guide you through some simple steps to make it accessible again. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are in the settings, look for the search bar and on the top screen, tap on it and type in Photos. After you hit the search, select Photos from the results that appear. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Show Hidden Album and toggle the switch next to this option to turn it on. Once this setting is enabled, your hidden album will become visible in Photos app. Now, let's check if everything is working correctly. Open the Photos app and navigate to the Utilities section. You should now see an option called Hidden. If you still don't see Hidden Album after following these steps, make sure your iOS is updated, as software glitches can sometimes interfere with features like this. And that's it. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.